Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you a haul from Etsy and a couple other small business hauls. One on YouTube and the other one on. And first, I want to show you the pins I made. I want to start handing them out, and these have been done for quite a while. So as you know, I get these blank pins on Amazon, and I was able to put some beads on them. So I'm going to show you real quick my pins that I made. So there's the one. Okay. And this one is my bumblebee one. Okay. Put it down a little bit. Then I made this one. Has a cute little cat on it. And this one has a perfume bottle charm. I love it. This is one of my favorite ones. And then this one. Get this to focus. And this charm came from the Dollar Tree. And I just stuck the jump ring in the antennas. Then I put umbrella, my bow, thought that was cute. And this is a perfume bottle. Number 5, my pins. So I get these blank pins on Amazon. These particular ones don't have the refills, but I have seen other shops that do refills on them. But I thought these would make cute gifts, or you can sell them and send them with a refill, or sell them with a refill. I absolutely love the pins I've made. So that's what I made there. Let me pause you a second. Alright everyone, the first thing I ordered from Etsy was from the Magical Mixery. I love Sarah's stuff, and I've had this for quite a while. I just haven't had time to post it, so I want to get this stuff posted and put away. So I'm gonna be doing a unicorn swap with another YouTuber, so I wanted to make sure I had some extras. Thank you, Sarah. Let's open it up. I can figure out how to open it up. So I got some of this tulle. This might be a free gift, I think. And then, because she gives you free gifts, and I got some unicorn stickers. I got 2 of these. And I think I have another one of these in my stash. And then I got these. And then I got some of these unicorn things. And let's see here. I ordered some more mixes. So this one is unicorn. Majestic unicorn. And I wanted to get some Halloween. It's called Herman Munster. I saw my friend Krystal, Justcraftingoverhere, haul this. So I'm not really into much Halloween, but I want to make some crafts with try and attempt to do some shakers with these. And then she gave me a free mix. She always is giving something free to you when you order from her. I'll be sure to link her Etsy shop down below in the description box. And then I got some stuff here. I ordered. So I ordered some fibers to make some tassels. There's some more fibers. So I think this is new in her shop. She is doing fibers now. And then here is these. Now these are pretty too. I love these. So yeah, I don't know if I ordered that or not, or if it's a free gift. I don't know, but I did order some of these. So that is my magical Mixery haul from Etsy. So let me pause you and put this away. Okay, the next thing I ordered was from Creating with Jovi. I will link her Etsy shop. She started selling tassel kits, and I wanted to buy one of her tassel kits, and I'll obviously will be buying more in the future as well. I just haven't had a chance to open it. I bought it a while back when she first started. I was the first one to buy one of her tassel kits when she first started it. I will link. Please go check out Jovi and support her. She does amazing work. I love her. Junk journaling, collaging, tassels, you name it, she does it. It's beautiful. So let's open up the card. It says thank you. I love, love, love that. Oh, I got some hearts, which I'll be using in my collages, most likely. That's so sweet. And then, oh, I got some other goodies. And this says, bless this kitchen. Family meal fun time. A family stitched together seldom unravels. This is so sweet. Ignore our mess, we're making memories. Exactly. There's some more in here. And all these beautiful hearts she gave me. And you can use these for embellishments or whatever. So I'll definitely be using those. Thank you, Jovi. And it says, thank you for your order. I really do appreciate your support. I'm so glad we met on YouTube. I am not sure what you have in your stash, so I'm adding a few other extras. Since this is my first tassel, please let me know if there's anything I can improve on your friend Jovi. Oh, thank you so much, Jovi. That's a beautiful, I have all her letters in my little box. So sweet. I love the little hearts and embellishments she gave me. That's so sweet. Okay, and she wraps it up always so pretty and so nice. By the way, her shipping is very quick on her shop. So here's her kit. I'm so excited. And she added these bags. So, and I recycle my tissue paper. I send it in other stuff. So the yarn, I like that. She adds everything to the kit that you can hang your stuff on. That's awesome, Jovi. Thank you. I'm going to hopefully do this for next Tassel Tuesday. Here is the bag. And this is the tassel she had made. And then she gave me a few extras. Yay! So this is the vintage cotton she used in her, take a piece out here. I don't want to wind it all. Isn't that beautiful? And you make your own tassel out of these fibers. And so I'm going to attempt to do that. And then she gave me some extras, which I'll be hanging on to. This looks great, Jovi. Thank you. I don't know what you'd have to, yeah, it all looks good to me. So this is vintage cotton. She has some vintage things in her shop. And so, like I said, please go over there and check her out. I can't wait to make a tassel for a Tassel Tuesday with this stuff. This is amazing. And I reuse the bags. I love that. And the tissue paper. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. It's beautiful. Okay, the next one I ordered was from my other friend, Krystal. Justcraftingoverhere. She was doing a live YouTube video on her tassels she made. So I love Hello Kitty. I liked Hello Kitty when I was a kid, and I'm starting to collect Hello Kitty stuff again. So I wanted her Hello Kitty tassel, and boy, she shipped this out fast. I got it quickly. That's a cute bag too. Wonder Mail. I love it. And she wrapped it up beautifully. Look at that. She wrapped it up. I just want to make sure I got everything out. And then she wrapped it in this cute, which I will put in my stash because I use those. I can use that for tassels. And then she wrapped it up in this tissue paper. So cute. Damn. Aww. Says thank you. Oh, hi Pam. Thank you so much for supporting me by purchasing a tassel. I'm so glad you like Hello Kitty tassel. Hope you like it in person. Sending hugs, big hugs. Your friend Krystal Rose. Oh, so I'm gonna link Krystal's channel down below in the description box. Please go show her support. She is an excellent crafter. Oh my gosh, she does amazing and beautiful work. And she's doing junk journaling, and she sent me these cute little tassel flowers. And you can add those on. That was a free thing she sent me. Thank you so much. It was a little extra. Oh, I love these things. They're hard to find. So yeah, they're great. And so let's look at this beautiful tassel, guys. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I'm so excited. And look how she wrapped it. Look at this beautiful, beautiful tassel. It's actually very beautiful in person. Oh my gosh. And it has the Hello Kitty charm. Look at all the beautiful fibers. There is some eyelash trim and some seed binding. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at the beautiful beads. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Krystal. This is gorgeous. I have bought tassels from, well, now from her, and I'll probably get some more. And I've also bought them from Jovi because they make beautiful tassels. I wish I could make tassels like these. These are beautiful. They're gorgeous. Thank you so much, Krystal. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. We're going to leave that there so you guys can stare at it. Isn't that beautiful? So this I bought off of Instagram. And I hope her name is in there. I've bought them from her before in the past. This will be the second time. So, okay. So, her Instagram shop is Happy Crafter Shop. Not Happy Day. And these are some of the items I ordered. Yeah, so her stuff is inexpensive, and I like to support small businesses. So, And like I said, I'm in a unicorn swap. So I wanted to, so I'm going to try and link her Etsy shop or her Instagram shop because it's first come first serve, so her stuff sells really fast. So first thing I got were these beads. Then I got these here because I love pastel colors. These are some stars. And these are hard to find. I was looking for plastic bales, so I finally got them. I have them in my other box as well. And some hearts. Oh, that's a free gift. Okay, cool. She sent me some free hearts. Awesome. And then I got these unicorn resin back type things for my swap because I'm going to add them on an embellishment. So yeah, that is my Happy Day Crafter shop haul, and I'll link her Instagram down below in the description box. She has these sales all the time, so yeah, go check her out. And I have one more. This is from Frank Garcia Studios, and this came in a while back too. I saw, I think her name's Serenity Creations on YouTube, make something out of these, and I wanted to try them and either sell them or something. So they give you thank you cards. So Pam, thank you Pam. It's always got a signed note on it. And you get, say, 15% on your next order, which I got one of these before and I didn't use it. I need to use these. So yeah, so they give you a thank you card for your order, and they also have a club membership too. So always love extra tissue paper. 5 of these cute watches. And I wanted to make like a bracelet watch with a charm on them, so I ordered 5 of them, and they were only like $4 or $5. So I've been hanging on to that, but I want to get that open and start making stuff out of them. I am so far behind on everything. All right, everyone, that is my Etsy small business hauls from a few shops and YouTubers. So I will link everybody I mentioned down below in the description box. If you can go show I'll also link Jovi's channel, so go show Jovi and Krystal Justcraftingoverhere some love and support. I would greatly appreciate it. Jovi does junk journaling, collaging, tassels, and she's starting to do other paper crafts as well. Please go show them some love and support. Krystal is an awesome crafter. She's doing junk journaling, collaging, tassels. She's an awesome 3D paper crafter, and it's just unbelievable. She does, her work is beautiful. So please go show them some love and support, and I'll be sure to link the Magical Mixery and Jovi's shop and the Happy Crafter shop on Instagram. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to check out my giveaways I got going on, Christmas and July fairies, and my 2-year YouTube giveaway. All right, everyone, please stay safe out there. God bless.